Hello again everyone, Dr. Dan Bockmann here. Today I want to go over another one of my favorite leg exercises. Now this one, I'm sure it's been done before, I've just never seen it done before. So I decided to name my version of it a Pogo butt kicker. So we all know what a butt kicker is, right? So it's kind of jogging in place and kicking your butt. Well, a Pogo butt kicker is just like a Pogo stick. You're just kicking your butt repeatedly on one side. And it's a huge strength challenge, balance challenge, and also trains muscles to fire faster. So if you want your hammies to fire faster, which is useful in sprinters or other running athletes, this forces you to get the heel up to the butt quickly and then reload it to get back ready for the landing. So it looks like this. One leg up, your arms do whatever they want to do. And just repeat this action. So it's a lot of work, takes a lot of balance on the landing, big impact, so you get both some plyo, some strength. Again, no equipment required, you can do it anywhere. It fits in great with any workout program you might have. And usually I'll do with plyo, heavy plyo stuff, I'll do one set on each side. That set ends when I can no longer do anymore, meaning I couldn't get heel all the way to butt. That would be my end of my set on one side. Then rest and catch your breath completely before the next set. And that just means you'll be fresher for your next set and you'll get more out of it. So try this at home, let me know what you think, guys. If you have any questions or comments about these things, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, look out for more rehab drill videos from us, and I will see y'all there.